Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is a Nilfisk Adfinity 20D 20-inch auto scrubber. Now in this short video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your machine to keep it running at peak performance to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. So it's time to replace your squeegee blades. Here's how you do it. Take your back hose off of the assembly. I always put it up here on the squeegee lowering handle. Just kind of keeps that back hose out of the way. Next, you want to loosen these knobs that are holding your squeegee assembly to the machine. Just like that. And now we're going to remove the assembly. So you need to replace the front blade and the back blade separate. Right now we're going to replace the back blade. So what you want to do first is unclip your back blade strap and remove it. And then you can remove your back blade. Now, once that is done, what you want to do is you want to flip your squeegee assembly over like that. And one side has a knob on it, the other side does not. We're going to loosen the side with the knob and take your front strap off too. Just like that. And now you can remove your front blade. Now to put your new blade back on, just reverse the steps. I've already installed this front blade here. Take your front strap, put it on the side that does not have the knob on it first. That. Now go to the other side. And you may have to loosen your knob side just a little bit more. And then tighten that knob side down till it's good and tight. Now flip your squeegee assembly back over. And we're going to do the back blade. Just put your back blade back on the way you took it off. And now put the strap back on. You want to do the side that does not have the clip first, and then do the side with the clip. Okay, so your final step after replacing your blades, we're going to put it back on the machine. So just the same way you took it off, put your knobs back on there and tighten those down. Now they don't have to be super tight, just hand tight. Last but not least, put your back hose back on. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. Now for all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now if you liked what you watched, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.